What do you think I'm doing? Today's natural expressions captured in the daily lives of native Korean are 켤레, 맘카페, 찍찍이. If you're interested in any of today's expressions, the daily lives of native Korean, or this ridiculous situation, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Buri, and it's Boris Korean. Does anyone notice that my baby has been always barefoot during outdoor activities? My baby can walk well, but with shoes on, she can't move. So I'm going to try to get her familiar with shoes today. In Korean, some items have a unique name for them to be counted. When we count a pair of shoes, we use the word 켤레, 켤레. So my baby girl has 4 켤레s. Here are the advantages of each pair of shoes. Number 1, it's light. Number 2, this is fashionable. Number 3, there's a picture of a cat on these shoes. My baby loves animals like other babies. Number 4, it's easy to walk anywhere. I will try to get her to wear a pair of shoes. We should work with her shoes on. Ready, set, go! 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 Please go! I said please go! No, her legs don't care about my request. Her determination not to work is so determined. She's as determined as a rock. She was even very angry because I didn't take her shoes off quickly. I need to make her feel better now. Together, we do the hand movements the baby likes. I also introduced the cute cat on her shoes. I think she's getting better and better. And lastly, I show her how to use her shoes. Yeah, I did this. Phew. Now we will play with her shoes. Has my baby become familiar with her shoes? I'm desperate. I hope the baby can wear shoes and go to the playground to play together. Please, just one step please. Eventually, she sits and cries. Alright, I lost. I want to cry too. What should I do now? When I need paternity tips, I get a lot of help from online moms cafes. An online cafe where mothers exchange tips for childcare or buy and sell used baby products is called Mom Cafe. Of course, this word is an English one, but unlike English, everyone here calls it Mom Cafe, not Mom's Cafe. I don't know much about childcare, and the information I get from the Mom's Cafe is very helpful. I looked for some information there. As expected, a lot of mothers already had the same problem with me, and I could find advice on my situation. And I found this word 찍찍이 in common in the tips. What? 찍찍이? Are you familiar with this word? 찍찍이 means Velcro, and when it comes to shoes, the word Velcro itself means Velcro shoes. Many people said Velcro shoes are good for babies because they're easy to put on and take off. Actually, my baby has already tried and rejected them all. When she'll get used to shoes. Today, I used Korean words such as 켤레, 맘카페, 찍찍이. I hope it was helpful for you. Have an open-minded day, unlike my baby, everyone. Bye!